Hello everyone. In this video, let's discuss about octal number conversion. If you are new to our channel, please subscribe for more engineering related topics. So let's consider a number that is octal number and convert it to decimal, binary and hexadecimal. So I will also share the short trick to confirm whether the answer is correct or not. So first, let's convert octal to decimal. Let's consider a value 125. So the base of the octal is 8. Let's convert it to decimal. What is the base of decimal? Decimal base is 10. So now I must convert octal to decimal. So first octal, no, so base is 8. So 8 power 0, 8 power 1, 8 power 2. In formal method, if you want to convert any number from octal, then first you must derive octal to decimal. Then you can do binary and hexadecimal. Why, I will tell later. First, we designed 8 power 0, 8 power 1 and 8 power 2. Now multiply 1 into 8 power 2 plus 2 into 8 power 1, 2 into 8 power 1 plus 5 into 8 power 0 plus 5 into 8 power 0. So therefore 1 into 8 square, 8 8s are 64 plus 2 into 8 power 1, 8 2s are 16 plus 5 into 8 power 0. So 5 into 8 power 0. So what will be the value of 8 power 0? 8 power 0 value will be 1. So whatever the value having the power 0, its value will be 1. 2 power 0 will be 1. 16 power 0 will be 1, like that. 8 power 0 value will be 1. So 1 into 5 it is 5. So 64 plus 16 it is 70. 70 plus 5 is 70. So 64 plus 16 is 80. 80 plus 5 is 85. So we got the value for the octal to decimal conversion. Now let's convert the same value to binary. So 125, I must convert it to binary. So binary base is 2. To convert octal to binary, first you must convert to decimal. In formal method, you must convert to decimal. Then the decimal value will be converted to binary, that is base 2. So I said first starting only you convert octal to decimal, then you can easily convert octal to binary and octal to hexadecimal value. Now we already converted this value to decimal value. What is the value of decimal? 85. So this decimal value I must convert to binary. So how to convert decimal value to binary? Just divide by the base of the number which you want to convert. I must convert to binary, so its base is 2. I am dividing 85 by 2. So 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4, remainder is 1. 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2, remainder is 0. 2 10s are 20, remainder is 1. 2 5s are 10, remainder is 0. Next, 2 2s are 4, remainder is 1. 2 1s are 2, remainder is 0. Now I cannot further divide 1 from 2. So I will stop the process here. So this will be the most significant bit and this will be the least significant bit. So write from most significant bit towards the least significant bit. What will be the value? 1 0 1 0 1 0 1. So to the base 2. So this is the value of 125, that is octal when it is converted to binary. Now let's convert the same octal value to hexadecimal. So to convert to hexadecimal, first we must convert to decimal value, then convert the decimal to hexadecimal. So hexadecimal base is 16. Now we already converted the octal to decimal. Its value is 85. Now I must convert this decimal value to hexadecimal. So divide it by 16. 85 divided by 16. 16 5s are 80 and remainder will be 5. So I cannot further divide 5 from 16. So I will stop the process here. This will be the most significant bit. This will be the least significant bit. So the value is 5 5. base is 16. If I get the value between 0 to 9, I will write as it is in hexadecimal. So 5 and 5 are between 0 and 9, so I will write as it is 5 and 5. If it exceeds 9, that is if it is 10, I will represent it as A. If 11, I will represent it with B. If it is 12, C, 13, D, 14, E, and 15 will be F. Therefore 0 to 15 means 16 digits. Now let's discuss about the short trick to convert octal to binary and octal to hexadecimal. There is no short trick for octal to decimal. It is there, but it is very lengthy and complicated too. So let's discuss for octal to binary and octal to hexadecimal only. So how to convert octal to binary? So we considered the value 125 itself. Now 125 base will be 8. I must convert it to binary with base 2. So directly you can convert 125. I must convert to base 2 now. So 2 powers, 2 power 0, 2 power 1, 2 power 2. Because only 3 numbers are there. So I will use 2 power 0, 2 power 1, 2 power 2. What will be the value of 2 power 0? 1. 2 power 1 value will be 2. 2 power 2 value will be 4. Now using 4 to 1, design 5 to 1. So that is, you need 5 now. So 4 plus 1 is 5. So I will put 1 1. I don't need 0. I don't need 2. So I will put 0. Therefore 1 0 1. 1 0 1. Next 2. To design 2, I need directly 2 is there. I will use that one. I don't need 4. I don't need 1. So 0 1 0. Next to design 1, I just need 1. I don't need 4 and 2. So 0 0 1. So this is the binary conversion. 1 0 1 0 1 0 1. So this is the value of the binary in the formal and both in the short trick also. Next octal to hexadecimal. Same process. 125 with base 8. I must convert to base 16. That is hexadecimal. So 125. How you wrote here? That like only you write. 101. This one is 010. Next this one is 001. Now to convert from octal to hexadecimal, make group of 4. Make group of 4 digits from right hand side towards left hand side. 1 2 3 4 one group. 1 2 3 4 one group. This is 0, so we cannot consider further. If it was 1, we could have considered another 3 zeros to the left hand side and made another group. So only 2 groups are there, right? 2 power 0 is 1, 2 power 1 is 2, 4, 8. 1 2 4 8. Again 1 2 4 8. Now wherever the value is 1, just multiply. 0 into 8 will be 0, so don't write. 1 into 4. 1 into 4 plus 2 into 0 will be 0. Next 1 into 1 will be 1. So 1 into 1. What will be the value? 1 into 4 is 4 plus 1 into 1 is 1. So 4 plus 1 is 5. So 5. Next 8 into 0 is 0. 1 into 4 will be 4. 1 into 4 will be 4 plus 1 into 1 will be 1. That is 1 plus 4 is 5. So 5 to the base 16. So this is how the short trick works. Hope you understood the video. If you liked the video, please subscribe for more engineering related topics. Thank you.